We'll switch to another topic. The number of infections has gone down. The infection rate has gone down here at the hospital, and that's, I would assume, a continued practice of cleanliness and upkeep here.
Well, yeah, all of our staff does a great job. The cleanliness of the facility, our housekeeping staff does a fantastic job here. Our infection control team, keeps us on our toes, is always making sure that we're complying with the latest standards. And people who provide care every day.
So obviously this is being monitored on a regular basis.
It is something that's monitored on a very regular basis.
So maybe tell us about this the strategic plan, a little bit more about that, and the 2020 vision you hope the hospital can realize in the next few years.
Well, our ultimate vision is to be recognized as the best hospital in Canada and an active part in the best community healthcare system in the country. So that's our ultimate vision. As we developed this strategic plan, we heard from over 500 people as far as what direction they thought we should take over the next 5 years. And one of the key voices in that was the voice of our patients and their family through our Patient and Family Advisory Council. And they really helped to articulate what 2020 could look like from a patient standpoint. Really where they're talking about us seeing them not as a diagnosis, but as people. Us making sure that patients and their families have a real active role in their care, that their care feels seamless, so that it doesn't matter who they're speaking with, everybody is on the same page with regard to the delivery of care, and that they know they're always getting quality care close to home. So that's really guiding our work over the next 5 years. And I'm not going to say that it's going to be easy work. Some of that is changing practices, some of that is making different investments, and that's what we're going to be doing over the next 5 years.
Jumping back to this past year, is there any one success that has stand out? There are plenty of them that were mentioned and also documented in the report tonight.
Well, I think one big success is charting that course for the next 5 years, and the other one that's a close second is seeing those beds up and running in the community fund.
Where do you see the hospital next year? Obviously, you would assume that it would continue on that towards that best standard.
Yeah. Where I would see us next year is making some pretty significant strides towards our vision of best, delivering on our strategic plan. I would see at this time next year that we will be in a position where we're going to be celebrating approval of a new cardiac angioplasty service here in Sault. So that's something that I'm really looking forward to.